Hello there. Welcome to the first video, other than the welcome video. Actually, I'm in a completely different world. I have been struggling, and I mean struggling, to figure out what to record. So what I thought I would do for the first video is do something that I'm going to be comfortable explaining, which is this, my survival world. Well, I say survival, it's a mix. I have done little bits in Crave, as you can see. I've got extra rows of hearts, I've got the speed, I've got the strength, I've got all that. But what I thought to do is just do a world tour. Just something simple for the first video. And, yeah. I hope you do enjoy this, because this world is old now. It's a few years old. So without further ado, I'm gonna get started. So this is called Wildmount. This whole kingdom is the main kingdom, and then there's going to be extra stuff dotted around. We'll get to that soon. That isn't finished. There are going to be areas that aren't going to be finished, or there's going to be some areas I'm not going to reveal, just because they're a little bit of a secret thing going on, and yeah. And I would love to do a series in this, like a role play or something like that with my friends, and just have fun, really. So, we are on currently a wizard tower. This beautiful thing. I say beautiful, I'm not really an expert, I'm more roofs and stuff. But I thought to start somewhere peaceful, you know? So this is just a little tranquil garden. This originally, up here, this was actually an observatory. This was, I don't know if you can see it from here. See that ice cream looking thing all the way off? I wish I had a telescope, whatever thing. My words today are terrible. But I don't. As you see though, I have these and this. There are add-ons in this world. That's how I also look a bit weird and new weird. It's an add-on. And that's also how, if it picks up, I've got like this nice lens there. So yeah, there's going to be a couple of custom blocks in this as a warning. And some frames might drop. I don't know why. I'm trying to fix that. I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is... Sir, you're not meant to be here. I'm not going to hurt you today. I'm in a festive mood like you. But this was actually where it all started. This is second base. There's a little platform. Actually, let me show you. Why not? There's a little platform somewhere around here. This. Oh, no. This was the first base, as you can see there. I can't really get up that. But I ultimately moved down here, and I'm so happy I did, because it allowed me to do so much stuff. So I don't have a before picture of what this was, but this had a load of trees. Here, there's a cave. There's actually an ancient city under this place, like deep, deep down. But we got a nice little village. These houses are actually empty, but these are like a little apartments, and you got this. One of my main friend's house. Leader of a faction here. We'll get into that soon, I promise. Got a little hobbit hole, and these houses obviously haven't finished, but I plan to expand this. And we'll get to the market in a minute, because we've got a few more things. And I'm sorry if it's like all over the place, I'm trying to figure out my style. We got a silo here. This actually got cactus farm in it. That's also very much turned off right now, because it produced so much. And we got a farm up here. We got wheat there, we got potatoes, we got carrots, double beetroot, because why not? And the sheep farm I still have yet to cover up. And then obviously barrel for storage of everything, and a automatic composter. Just seeds going there, and then bone meal comes out. But while we are over here, I feel like it's only right to show the base. Well, one of the bases. I'm still currently working on the castle, which is that. I really need to detail it. It's been like that for like a year. But we don't talk about that. We'll be fine. But down here was technically third base. Sorry, my recording screen went off and I got confused there. For here's a mob farm. It's also on peaceful, so that's why it looks a bit. Well, I'm not losing in hunger. That's also should be a given. But down here is the little base, where everything happened. Really, I got Sniffer, a Panda, and a Fox down there. There's Bandit. He's my Fox. Panda. His name's Boo, and that's Venus. We got the rooms over here, which are very, very small and stuff, and the beds are like above a little loft apartment type of thing. Good old enchantment table, you can't live without it. And then down here, now, I know this is going to sound really random, but please let me explain this. So, I made this room when the cherry blossoms got announced, but the biome didn't exist. But the wood was in, because I have experimental on. I love playing with the new blocks early, I love seeing what I can do. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to make my own cherry tree in here. And this is where I'm going to basically store a lot of enchanted books. So there's bow enchants, crossbow enchants, and then trident enchants. I've got all weapon enchants. I actually had to expand this because it might get much. And then armor enchants. All armor enchants, doesn't matter if it's feather falling, prot, anything like that can go on armor, it goes in that. And then these are the books with more than one enchant, but they're not like categorized. So like, let's pick out a random one. Smite 4, Punch 1, Riptide 3. That's basically all these books. These books have got more than one enchantment on that you can only pick one out of. And then there was actually a little forbidden bookcase here, but that's moved here. So I thought that was a quite good idea. I don't know about these. I might have to add more. I might remove them. I don't know. I haven't really used this room because I've been so bloody busy with everything that you'll see. And then here's just a storage room. They're no longer in use. I have a storage system somewhere, but that's something secret that I won't reveal just yet. Just because, well, it's in a secret location. But moving on swiftly, hopefully, if I can get up these stairs because I don't have my trident on me, is we're gonna do the market, which you saw a little bit of when I went down to the village, which is that big stone plateau thing over there. There's also stuff down here. It's like a dwarven kingdom. There's a gypsum mine and all that, but I really Oh, am I good? What the hell? Okay. Well, yeah. I should be okay. I'm so sorry if it looks really like choppy in certain areas. Again, frame issues here. I'm slowly whittling down all that. So, first thing of the agenda is the church. Again, I've got to really redo some of this stuff. But in here, we've got a church. Originally it was a statue going ahead. There still is. I've been busy. Like, this area here is not fully done, but it's got aspects. But this is well, it's a crypt. That's why it's so dark, and I'm so sorry if it's really hard to see on video. I don't have a torch on me, and if I did, I would love to give that. But yeah, it's just a plain old crypt. Nothing secret about it. There is lore, a lot of lore to this world, which maybe next video, if I do another Wildemount video, I'd love to do a little deep dive into some of the lore of this, because this has got a very fucked up history. And I mean very. There's some dark moments in this. There's a war. There's a Mad King. The whole tyranny thing. But moving on, this is the blacksmith. Now, this had Tinker's Construct on until it messed around everything, and then my friends could have joined. So ultimately, this demon sword, is part of a different add-on. And adds just new weapons, different armor, and stuff like that, keeping it kind of like vanilla basis. But this is the market. Obviously, granted, again, it's still being worked on slowly, but I'm doing my best. Now, everything didn't look like this at one point. Something I'm calling Cloudkill actually happened, where I lost about 11 months of progress due to it not saving to the cloud. So I was disappointed with that, but I'm in the phase of the operation I'm called Operation Rebuild and Revamp, which basically just is me building